In today's video, I'll show you how to copy HTML code from an email in Hubspot. A useful trick if you're looking to replicate a design, analyze an email structure, or reuse a layout for your own campaigns. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step clearly and quickly. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once the Hubspot homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on Log In. Enter your login credentials, your email and password, and make sure you're logging into the correct Hubspot account where your email campaign is stored. After logging in, you'll land on your Hubspot dashboard. From here, look at the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, choose Email. This section contains all your marketing emails, both drafts and published ones. Now, find the specific email whose HTML code you want to copy. You can use the search bar or scroll through your list until you locate it. Once you've found it, look toward the right-hand side of the email row. You'll see a small drop-down labeled Actions. Click on Actions, and from the options that appear, select View Email. This opens up a preview of your email, showing how it appears to recipients. Now comes the important part, accessing the HTML code. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on the email preview and choose View Page Source or Inspect, depending on your browser. If you select View Page Source, a new tab will open, displaying all the HTML that powers your email, including layout, styling, and embedded elements. If you choose Inspect, you'll see the HTML structure directly alongside your email, allowing you to analyze and interact with each element individually. And next, it's time to copy the HTML code. You can either select all the text using Ctrl+A or Command+A on Mac, then copy it with Ctrl+C or Command+C, or highlight only the section you need and copy it manually. Once copied, you can paste the HTML code into a text editor, your own email builder, or a development environment for further editing. Just keep in mind that HubSpot's code may contain HubSpot-specific tags and styling references, so if you plan to reuse it outside HubSpot, you might need to make slight adjustments for compatibility. And that's it. You've now successfully copied HTML code from a HubSpot email. This technique is handy for customizing templates, studying email structure, or backing up your design work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech and marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.